Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Coding with Vakar. In today's video, we will be discussing an exciting topic, ChatGPT. What is ChatGPT and how to use ChatGPT? How you guys can easily get the advantages from the ChatGPT. If you want to learn what is ChatGPT in detail, you can watch this video by clicking this I button, or you guys also find this video in the description. Just go to the browser androidchat.openai.com and click to the chat OpenAI. ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence tool designed to understand and generate natural language. It was developed by OpenAI and is based on a deep learning architecture. After going to this URL, it will ask you to the authentication, login or sign up. For the first time, just click to the sign up. Then enter your email address, whatever the email address you have, just type it. Or you guys can also connect with your Google account and Microsoft account as well. Just click to continue. Then enter the password. Then click continue again. Or it is asking that verify your email. Just go to your website gmail.com or whatever the email address you enter to verify your email address. You guys can also go from here, open Gmail or resend email if you didn't receive the email. Just verify email and proceed with the ChatGPT. Just refresh this page. I have already verified my email onto the other app. Then it asks to enter your full name. Let's add Coding Vakar. Then click continue. Then it will ask you to enter your phone number. Just select your desired country, from which country you belong. Just select and start typing your phone number. Then click send code via SMS, or you guys can also receive the code via WhatsApp number. So we have done with the registration or sign up process. Then we straight away redirect to the ChatGPT dashboard. Just click to the next, then done. This is the dashboard or interface of ChatGPT, where you are talking with the chat bot, and the ChatGPT bot will be answer your all questions. On your left side, you have the option of new chat, upgrade to plus, dark mode, updates and FAQ, logout option, and just type it whatever the you want to learn. Let's start with what is ChatGPT. Then it is straight away answer your query. Let's see. I am a ChatGPT, a large language model developed by OpenAI. I have been trained on a vast corpus of text data and am capable of generating human-like responses to a wide variety of prompts. Whatever the text. And maybe you are a blogger, or you write some fitness blogs, or you are a nutrition, you write some nutrition blogs, or maybe you are a content writer, you write content for customer websites. So whatever the idea or text you want to ask, the ChatGPT will answer your question, your queries straight away. Let's write how to make a pizza. Sometimes it takes the time because everyone is asking the ChatGPT some questions. But in this case, here is basic recipe of making pizza from scratch. Ingredients. You can go with whatever the question. So how ChatGPT helping everyone? The ChatGPT answered straight away. Many of us taking time and spending the time on writing the blog 10 days, 15 days. But if you ask ChatGPT how to make a pizza, it give you a complete recipe in just seconds. And just copy this text or paragraph and go to your website and add some images and write the ingredients instruction, and boom, your blog is right and ready to publish. You can easily get the money. Or if you want to write the article for the customer or client, go to the Fiverr, create an account and create the gig. Just publish the that you are a content writer. Just copy that article and ask from the chat gpt and answer to their questions. Let's stop generating this, then write how to grow plants. Growing plants can be a fun, rewarding hobby. There are some general steps to follow. Ask something, ask whatever the you like, your business requirements and niche. Let's again stop this and ask to the new chat, then write ask ChatGPT write a text or write a about us text for my cloth selling website. Let's see what will be the result. Yeah, the result is pretty much excellent or good. Welcome to our cloth selling website. The cloth selling website may be your brand name, your website name, ABC website, where you can find the latest product and greatest in fashion at affordable price. Whether you are looking for casual, quality is important. You can see how ChatGPT is reducing time. You spend lots of time in writing the about us content and then check it grammar mistakes, sentence making, but ChatGPT reduce your all efforts and answering your question in seconds. Let's try something. For the developing site or website developing, let's ask how write a code for responsive nav bar. Or you can write a HTML CSS code for responsive nav bar. Sure. Now you can see it is saying that with the copy code option or the home, shop, about us, first it generate the HTML code and then CSS code. Just go to your any editor like Sublime, Notepad or Visual Studio. Just create the files and copy the HTML code and CSS code, paste it, and it will be working very fine. Now you can see how ChatGPT is helping the developers. The developers can write the code in just seconds. Just ask ChatGPT the code and the ChatGPT will answer in seconds. Just copy and paste in your project and boom. I'm pretty much sure that you guys have learned lots of new things from this video. If you stuck or if you want to ask anything according or from the ChatGPT, how to use it, and if you want to unsure how to use ChatGPT, you can ask me in comment section. Before going, make sure you hit the subscribe and bell icon button so you guys can easily get the notification of my upcoming videos on different topics.